Introducing Docs Builder, the ultimate PDF creation tool for Monday.com. Follow these 3 simple steps to automate the process. Step 1. Start by creating a Google Docs template where you define placeholders within curly brackets. These placeholders will be replaced with data from Monday.com. Step 2. Navigate to the Monday Marketplace and search for the Doc Builder app. Install it either from the Marketplace or your Apps section. Step 3. Set up automation in Monday.com. Go to your Monday.com board and access the Automate section. Choose the Doc Builder app and select a recipe that aligns with your business needs. Once you've set up the recipe, click the designated button or trigger to initiate the process. In a matter of seconds, the PDFs will appear with Monday.com data seamlessly integrated into the Google Docs template. Docs Builder, try it now.